So in today's video, I'm going to be answering a popular question that I get. Mark, can I see some of your work? The answer to this question is yes, of course you can. I would love it for you to see some of my work. What I've got a couple of show gardens that are basically a self-guided thing, and you can go and have a look at those. But there's no better way than coming to my own house. So if you're serious about putting in a pond or water feature, then I open my garden up to you. But be warned, if you come here, you will be inspired. And it's just crazy. The amount of options that I can do, the flowing water, the fish, the rocks, the gravel, the lifestyle, it's amazing. Or it might be that you're further afield and you want to see some more stuff on videos. Put it in the comment section below if you want to see some before and after videos. Just a combination of a number of different projects that we've done. Or it could be that you say, Mark, I would love to see some of your work in the flesh, and can you help me create my own piece of paradise in my own back garden? And again, the answer is yes. Just get in contact. My email is mark@anypond.com. So that's the email address is mark@anypond.com. Whether you want to come to my own personal garden, or whether you want to go to a client's house, or whether you want to go to a show garden of mine, or it could be that it's a flower show that I'm doing this year. So my name is Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. And if you've got any questions, like I said before, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.